Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Let's select a fun deck and look at the freestyle mode. This is the following directions fun deck. In the top left corner of the screen, you will see the Modes button. There you can select Freestyle, Memory, Game Boards, or Chipper Chat mode. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a tab titled Contents Games. Select this tab for directions, game ideas, and a table of contents. Close out of the window or tab to hide them. Use the scroll bar on the bottom of the screen to view your card options. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through the deck. Cards will be presented in the same order as the printed deck. Hold and drag to move the scroll bar more quickly. Click the arrow above the scroll bar to hide or display it. Select a card to display it on the board. Once the card is on the board, drag and drop to move it. Notice the slider to the right of the screen. Click the circle on the slider and push it up to zoom in and down to zoom out. Flip the card over by hovering over the top right corner and clicking the arrow. If you would like the card off of the board, click the X. Keep in mind that you can add multiple cards onto the board. Create card pairs by clicking the card twice. If you would like to clear the board, click Clear Board on the bottom right of the screen. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.